Did you know that a simple glass of baking soda water could dramatically improve your health? But how exactly does it work? Stick around as we uncover the shocking benefits a glass of baking soda water has for your health. Number 1. Promotes kidney health. Your kidneys filter out acids and toxins from the blood. Drinking baking soda water helps reduce the acidic load on the kidneys, which can slow the progression of kidney disease. It helps maintain optimal pH levels, preventing the formation of kidney stones. By reducing acid buildup, it supports overall kidney function and reduces the risk of kidney-related issues. For those already experiencing kidney problems, it can slow the decline of kidney function. Baking soda water can also aid in managing certain complications associated with chronic kidney disease. It's a simple way to promote kidney health, but anyone with kidney concerns should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating it regularly into their routine. Number 2. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases. Drinking baking soda water helps reduce the body's overall acidity, which is often linked to inflammation. By balancing the pH, it lowers the inflammatory response in conditions like arthritis, gout, and other joint-related issues. Baking soda water also aids in flushing out toxins, which further reduces inflammation. It soothes the body from within, calming down overactive immune responses that cause swelling. Regular consumption can help ease chronic pain and reduce flare-ups in conditions driven by inflammation. For those dealing with minor injuries, it promotes faster healing by decreasing localized inflammation. Just remember, moderation is key to reaping these benefits without side effects. Number 3. Aids digestion. Baking soda water is a natural antacid, helping neutralize excess stomach acid. This provides relief from bloating, gas, and indigestion. It helps break down food faster, ensuring smoother digestion. The alkaline properties balance pH levels in the stomach, which is especially useful after consuming heavy or spicy meals. By aiding the digestive process, it prevents uncomfortable symptoms like acid reflux. Drinking baking soda water regularly can help maintain a healthy digestive system. For those suffering from occasional heartburn, it's a quick and effective remedy that works almost instantly. However, it's essential not to overdo it, as too much alkalinity can lead to side effects. For best results, drink a small glass after meals to aid digestion without disrupting your body's natural balance. Number 4. Boosts athletic performance. Baking soda water acts as a buffer against lactic acid, which builds up during intense physical activities. This helps athletes push through fatigue, improving endurance and allowing for longer workouts. It also aids in faster muscle recovery by reducing muscle soreness post-exercise. When lactic acid is neutralized, muscles can continue performing without the burning sensation that usually slows athletes down. Consuming baking soda water before a workout can provide a performance boost by delaying the onset of fatigue. It also promotes better oxygen delivery to cells, enhancing stamina. This simple drink can be a game changer for anyone looking to improve their athletic performance naturally. Just be sure to start with small amounts to avoid any gastrointestinal discomfort. Number 5. Promotes weight loss. Baking soda water can help in weight loss by boosting metabolism and suppressing appetite. Its alkalizing effect helps the body burn fat more efficiently. When combined with a balanced diet and exercise, it aids in breaking down fat cells faster. Drinking it before meals can help you feel fuller, preventing overeating. By supporting digestion, it also ensures that your body absorbs nutrients more effectively. This helps maintain energy levels, reducing the temptation to snack. While it's not a miracle solution, it can support healthy weight loss efforts. To maximize its effects, combine baking soda water with lemon or apple cider vinegar for an additional fat-burning boost. Before we proceed to the next surprising health benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 6. Boosts immune system. A balanced pH is crucial for optimal immune function. Drinking baking soda water creates an alkaline environment in the body, making it harder for harmful pathogens to thrive. This boosts the immune system, helping you fend off infections. It also helps detoxify the body by removing acids that weaken immune responses. Drinking it regularly can strengthen your natural defenses against colds, flu, and other infections. It works by supporting the body's natural detox pathways, ensuring that the immune system can function at its best. To keep your immune system strong, consider drinking baking soda water a few times a week, especially during flu season. Number 7. Fights cancer. Cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment, and drinking baking soda water may help slow their growth by creating a more alkaline body. While it's not a cure, baking soda water can support traditional cancer treatments by reducing acidity and making the body less hospitable to cancer cells. This alkalizing effect helps inhibit the spread of tumors, offering a natural complement to medical therapies. Baking soda water is also believed to boost the effectiveness of certain chemotherapy treatments. While more research is needed, it's an intriguing area of study. As always, consult with your doctor before adding it to a cancer treatment regimen. Number 8. Improves skin health. Baking soda's alkalizing properties help detoxify the body, which reflects positively on your skin. Drinking baking soda water balances pH levels, reducing skin issues like acne, eczema, and inflammation. It also promotes hydration, helping the skin retain moisture. As it detoxifies from within, your skin becomes clearer and brighter. For those with sensitive skin, baking soda helps reduce irritation and redness. Consuming it regularly can result in a more even complexion and less acne. Pair this with proper skincare, and you'll see the results in just a few weeks. However, moderation is key to avoid over-alkalizing your body, which could lead to other skin issues. Number 9. Soothes sunburns. When it comes to soothing sunburns, baking soda water works internally and externally. Drinking it reduces inflammation and helps the body heal faster from sun damage. It also helps rehydrate the skin, speeding up recovery from the burn. For added relief, a paste made from baking soda and water can be applied directly to sunburned areas to reduce redness and pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the skin while promoting faster healing. As it cools and hydrates, the burn fades more quickly, allowing your skin to recover fully. To prevent further damage, always stay hydrated and use sunscreen when spending time outdoors. Number 10. Reduces body odor. Body odor is often caused by bacteria that thrive in an acidic environment. Drinking baking soda water helps reduce acidity in the body, which in turn minimizes the odor. It works from within by neutralizing the acids that bacteria feed on, making your sweat less pungent. Regular consumption can help reduce the need for strong deodorants or antiperspirants. In addition, baking soda is commonly used topically to neutralize odors, but consuming it allows for a longer-lasting effect. Over time, you'll notice a fresher scent naturally. Just be sure not to overconsume, as excessive use can lead to imbalances in the body. Number 11. Treats urinary tract infections, UTIs. Baking soda water is an effective remedy for UTIs. It helps neutralize the acid in the urine, providing relief from the burning sensation. By creating an alkaline environment, it slows down bacterial growth, helping your body fight off the infection faster. Drinking it at the first sign of a UTI can help prevent the infection from worsening. It also promotes hydration, which is crucial for flushing out the bacteria causing the infection. For those prone to recurring UTIs, regular consumption can serve as a preventative measure. However, severe cases still require medical attention. Number 12. Alkalizes the body. An overly acidic body can lead to fatigue, digestive issues, and weakened immunity. Baking soda water helps balance pH levels, creating an alkaline environment that supports overall health. Alkalizing the body can improve energy levels, reduce acid reflux, and prevent conditions associated with high acidity. It also aids in detoxification by helping the body expel harmful acids more efficiently. By reducing acidity, baking soda water helps the body function more optimally. Incorporating it into your routine is a simple way to maintain an internal balance, which benefits every aspect of your health. Number 13. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Heartburn occurs when stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation. Baking soda water neutralizes this acid, providing quick relief from heartburn and indigestion. It works by restoring the pH balance in the stomach, reducing discomfort within minutes. Drinking a small glass when symptoms arise can stop the burning and prevent acid reflux. For chronic sufferers, baking soda water can be used as a natural alternative to antacids. Just remember to drink it in moderation to avoid over-alkalizing your stomach, which could lead to other digestive issues. Number 14. Whitens teeth. Baking soda is a natural whitening agent, and drinking it helps reduce acidity in your mouth, which can prevent tooth discoloration. Over time, baking soda water helps remove surface stains, brightening your smile. It also neutralizes acids that cause enamel erosion, protecting your teeth from decay. Regular consumption can lead to a fresher, healthier mouth without the need for harsh whitening treatments. For those looking to enhance their oral hygiene routine, combining baking soda water with regular brushing can deliver noticeable results. However, be careful not to drink too much, as excessive use can erode enamel. Number 15. Treats cold and flu symptoms. Drinking baking soda water can alleviate common cold and flu symptoms like sore throat and congestion. Its alkaline properties help reduce inflammation in your throat and nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. It also helps the body fight off viral infections by creating an environment where viruses struggle to survive. Drinking it at the onset of symptoms can shorten the duration of your illness and make the symptoms less severe. It's especially helpful for soothing a sore throat, as it reduces irritation and inflammation. Paired with rest and hydration, baking soda water can be a simple remedy for easing cold and flu symptoms naturally. While it won't replace traditional medicines, it's a helpful addition to your recovery toolkit. Number 16. Removes stains. Baking soda water is a fantastic natural cleaner, and when consumed, it can help remove internal stains as well. It helps neutralize acids that may cause tooth discoloration or other buildups in the body, like from acidic foods and beverages. This is especially beneficial for maintaining the natural whiteness of your teeth over time. Additionally, the alkalizing effect of baking soda water helps prevent the buildup of toxins in the body, which can sometimes contribute to skin discoloration. For everyday stains on surfaces or your body, using baking soda internally and externally creates a holistic approach to maintaining cleanliness and brightness. Just remember, it's always a good idea to combine this with a healthy diet for the best results. Number 17. Reduces stress and anxiety. Baking soda water's alkalizing effect also plays a role in reducing stress and anxiety. When the body is too acidic, it can heighten feelings of stress, but by balancing your pH levels, you may find it easier to relax and stay calm. This can be especially beneficial during stressful periods, as it helps your body respond better to mental and emotional pressures. Drinking it regularly helps maintain a stable internal environment, which supports mental clarity and focus. Though it's not a substitute for professional stress management techniques, baking soda water can be a small but effective tool in your stress relief routine. Number 18. Cleanses hair and scalp. Baking soda water can also benefit your hair and scalp. Drinking it promotes a balanced pH in the body, which supports overall hair health. When used topically, baking soda water can help remove product buildup and excess oils from your scalp. It cleanses your hair follicles, allowing your hair to grow stronger and healthier. Internally, it helps reduce any imbalance that might cause dandruff or an itchy scalp. By drinking baking soda water regularly, you're not only detoxifying your system, but also supporting the health of your hair from the inside out. Just be sure not to overuse it, as it can dry out the scalp with excessive application. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.